Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to use MS Paint to draw beautiful stuff. So here's the brushes. Click here to go to the different kinds of brushes. And this is the normal brush, I guess. And it draws like this. And then this is the other brush, and it draws like this. I don't know what you would want to draw like that. And this is the other brush, and it draws like this. And there's also this one. Very cool. I like it. There's also this one. Ugh. And there's this one. There's also this. That. And lastly, there's this one. And there's also shapes, different kinds of shapes that you could put certain kinds of shapes. Like if you put solid fill color on, hold on, just like so now. See. So this is color 1, which would be the outline, and then this is the fill. So if you put like solid color, then it works. And you could even rotate things. You can even rotate them like this. Rotate them. It's so cool. You can even make your own little custom colors. Now I know this might look tricky at first, but it's really not that hard. So this is the brightness that you could put up or down. See, it might seem really hard, I know, but it's really not that hard.